Good morning, 10th class children. Great study the class. Open textbook, notebook, and take pen. We are doing progressions. This is the third day of learning progressions. There are series with any order, but progressions are three types: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. Arithmetic progression, shortly we read AP, arithmetic progression. It is a list of numbers with common difference equal. Common difference is same. In that we say that is whether it is plus or minus. Sometimes it is plus in ascending order, in descending order minus. Common difference is same. And in GP, geometric progression, ratio, common multiple, common ratio is same, multiple. Here intos are same. 5 into 2, 10, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40, 40 to the 80 like that. And harmonic progression third, it is reciprocal of AP. Reciprocal of AP. Arithmetic progression, difference is same. 5 plus 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. Here first term is 8, 5. Difference D is 3. Here difference D 3. Common difference. We say this is AP. But whereas in GP, first term is 5. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 3s are 135, 3 5s are 15, 135, and so on. And HP, harmonic progression. HP is 1 by reciprocal of AP. That is 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 11, 1 by 14, like this. So, these are the three progressions. General form of arithmetic progression. General form of AP. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Generally, we take first term as A. Common difference is D. First term is A. And D is added to the preceding term. D. Again D is added. A plus 2D. D is added. 3D. D is added. 4D dashes. By observation, this is first term. This is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term. Fifth term, see 5 minus 1. Fourth term, 4 minus 1. Third term, 3 minus 1. And similarly, 10th term. 10th term is A plus 10 minus 1, 9D. 50th term, A plus 49D, 1 minus. 100th term, A plus 99D like 100 minus 1, 50 minus 1, 10 minus 1. Common difference is added to the preceding term. Similarly, 10th term of AP. Nth term of AP is A plus the nth term n minus 1 of b. 100 minus 1, 99. 50 minus 1, 49, a plus. 10th term, 10 minus 1. Nth term, n minus 1. A plus n minus 1 of b. Pth term, a pth. A p, pth term. This is written as an. An is equal to a plus p minus 1 of b like that. And mth term, a plus m minus 1 of b. Kth term, a plus k minus 1 of b. Like this we have to find the required term. Yesterday we did some problems on first exercise and few more are left. I want to explain them. Same. We did up to 6, 7. Seventh one, first seventh one. Whether it is AP or not, we have to say. If it is AP, write next three terms. Continuation 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Dash. 9, 8. 1 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, yes. 9th, 1, 3, 9, 27. 10th, A, 2A, 3A, 4A, dash. 7th, A squared, A cube, A power 4, dash. 12th, root 2, root 8, root 12, root 8, 18, and root 32. Yes. 13th, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Yes. See, these are series. List of numbers. We have to say whether it is arithmetic progression or not. Here this is minus 4, 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 4. So your common difference is minus 4. That's why it is yes, it is AP. And the next three terms are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. These are the next three numbers. Add minus 4, minus 16, minus 16, minus 4, minus 20, minus 20, minus 4, minus 24. Now this is yes, difference is 0. Half minus half 0. Yes, AP. Yes, AP, and the thick. Next three terms also common difference is 0. When the common difference is 0, the terms are same. Minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half. Okay. Now ninth, difference C here 2, 3 minus 1. Here difference 6, here difference 18. So this is not, no, it is not AP. It is not an AP. And here this is 2A minus AA, 3A minus 2AA, 4A minus 3AA. Common difference is A. Next, yes, this is AP. And this is next three terms are 5A, 6A, 7A. here a squared, a cubed, a power 4. A is multiplied. Common difference is not same. So this is not. So no, it is not an AP. And here 12th root 2 okay. Root 2 first. Second root 8 is there. Root 8 can be written as root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 under root. This is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Next, root 18. Root 18 can be written as 9 into 2. That is 3 root 2. Next, 32. 32 can be written as 16 into 2. Square root of 16 is 4. So these are the series are 12 question. 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, 9. Yes, it is an AP. Yes, it is an AP. The next three terms are 1 root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, 5 root 2. Next 6 root 2. Next 7 root 2. Next 12. 13th root 3, root 6, root 3, root 6 means root 3 into 2. This is root 3 into 3. This is 3 into 4. This is root 3 comma root 3 comma root 2, root 3 comma root 2, root 3 comma root 3, and like this. And this is root 3 into 2, root 4. Here, root 3 is common. Root 3 is common. But the other number root 2 here, root 3 here, root 4 here. Difference is not same. That's why it is not in progression. No. So there is no common difference. We cannot find the arithmetic series. So like this we have to do. We have to identify whether it is arithmetic progression or not. See the difference. If the difference is same, we say it is arithmetic progression. If it is the difference is not same, we say it is not an AP. Now we are going to second exercise, problems on nth term. Nth term I already derived the formula. Nth term of AP, A plus n minus 1 of D. On that formula we have to find the unknowns by using application of nth term. Nth term of AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. By using this formula, we have to application of nth term. We have to solve the problems. Here given tabular form is given. Tabular form is given. Serial number. Here A first term and D N nth term. Nth term. Number 1, A7, D3, we have to write, and this is N, and N is 8, we have to find N term. Second, minus 18 dash dash, nth term is given 10, this is 0. Third, dash dash, minus 3, 18, minus 5. Fourth, minus 18.9, 2.5, dash dash, 3.6. Three point five, 0, 105, dash dash. Here A first term, B common difference, nth term, eighth term this is, 10th term, 18th term, 105, 8th term. See, An, nth term of AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of B, and substitute the given values. What is A? 7. And what is n? In place of n, 8 minus 1. Common difference given 3. Okay. Do rough work here. 7 plus 7 into 3. 7 plus 21. So 7 plus 21 is 28. So eighth term of the series is 28. Now this is the plan. Now here common difference is not given. First term given 18. Common difference not given. Nth term given 10. 10 n. And nth term 0. This is first. Second, see, apply same formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of B. A value given minus 18, n value given 10th, B we don't know. See, this A is given 0, nth term of the given, nth term, 10th term is given 0. So now calculate 0 minus 18, 10 minus 1, 9D. Minus 18 will come this side as plus is equal to 9D. Therefore, D is equal to into will go that side as by 18 by 9. That is 2. D equal to 2. Over. This is blank. B is equal to 2. Okay, third question. First term is not given. D given common difference. N given 18. 18th term given minus 5. So third sum. So apply same formula. Third right formula. Third. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. Nth term given minus 5. A given, we have to find A. N given 18. 18 minus 1. D given minus 3. Oh. Minus 5. A. 18 minus 1. 17. 17 3 are. This is 17. 51. Minus 51 will come this side as plus 5. Minus 51 plus 51 plus minus 5 here is A. So 6, 4. A equal to 4. Therefore, A equal to 46. 51 minus 5, 46. So here you write 46. Like in this fourth problem, A given, B given, N not given, and A term given. Fourth term. Fourth, apply same formula, nth term, and substitute the values. Nth term given 3.6, and A given minus 18.9, and we don't know. And what is B value? 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Now, the plus in the middle place. Minus will come this side as plus 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to N minus 1 of D. D is 2.5. 3.6 to 18.5. 15, 19, 3, 22. 18 plus 3, 21 plus 5 equal to N minus 1. This into 2.5 will come this side as by. Decimal removes, cancels. 25 1 25 9. 9 is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1, then 1 will come this side as plus. So 9 plus 1, 10. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Here N is equal to 10, like this. In this we have to find A. Their common difference is 0. Whatever the number will be, the same remains. 3.5 plus 0, 3.5. 3.5 plus 0, 3.5. 3.5 plus 0, 3.5. So when the common difference is 0, whatever the number of terms, it remains same, 3.5 order. 3.5. Right. So by applying the formula, we have to do like this. Application of nth term of AP. How we got it? I told you, every term is one member subtracted. You please follow this. From the beginning, I am saying how to find a term. Right? Every day, 10 times. Then only you easily remember the formula. Here A is there, N is there, D is there. 1, 2, 3, A. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Among the 4 terms, if you give any 3, you can find the other calculations. That is application of nth term. Next problem. Second question. Find 30th term of AP. After AP, 10, 7, 4 dashes. And this first. Second, 11th term after AP, -3, -half, 2, dashes. He is asking 30th term of the series. See in the series, from the series what we can find A, first term 10. What is the common difference to D? D is A2 minus A1 always. It is decreasing order, descending order. So common difference is -3, 7 minus 10. -3. Common difference is -3. And n is equal to 30. Substitute in an formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. A value is 10. N value is 30 minus 1. D value is -3. 10 plus 29 into -3. 10 plus 10 minus 87. This is -77. So 30th term. This is n formula and this is A30. 30th term. A30 we have right. And second question here, A equal to -3 and common difference half -3. This is half minus half plus 3, 2.5 plus 2.5. 3 minus half, 2.5. Orally we can say. And n value 11. N is equal to 11. Substitute in the formula. An is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 of D. A -3, n 11 minus 1, D is 5/2, 2.5. 5/2 is nothing but 5/2. 2.5 is nothing but 5/2. Okay. And here see 10 minus 1, 11 minus 1, 10 minus 3 plus 10 into 5/2. 2 1s are 2 5s are 25. 25 minus 3, 22 is 20. So 11th term. This is A11. 11th term of the series is plus 22. Like that we have to do. Apply formula and substitute the values. How to find common difference D? A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Common difference CD. D is equal to second term minus first term. Like this. Third problem, one problem I will show, others into third one. A equal to first term 2, A and A1 is same. A3 given 26, Find A2. 4. For all the problems given A and A3, what is the third term? A3 is directly I am writing A3 minus 1, 2D. And in this is given 26, A3. A value 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. 2D is equal to 24 and D is equal to 24 by 2, that is 12. He is asking second term, A2. Asking A2 is A plus D, 2 minus 1. And A value given 2, D value we get 12, D equal to 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Therefore, A2 is equal to 14. Right. And one more I will explain. Simply apply formula. A2 given, A4 given. A2, second question, third, 13 and A4 given 3. And find A1, A3. How? Given what is second term? A2. It is A plus 1D is equal to given 13 and A4 given A plus 3D, 4 minus 1 is 3. We have to solve these two equations. This is first equation, this is second equation. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2 by elimination method. A plus 3D is equal to 13 and A plus 3D is equal to 13. A plus 3D is equal to 3. Subtracting minus minus minus. Subtracting. A cancel. Minus 2D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by minus 2. That is minus 5. Difference is 5. Minus 5. Substitute A value. Substitute D value in equation 1. What is 1? A plus D is 13. D is minus 5. A minus 5 is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 plus 5. A is equal to 18. Therefore, A1 or A equal to A1 equal to 18 and A3 means A plus 2D. A value 18, D value minus 5, that is 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. So A3 is 8. Like that we have to do. Solve the equations by elimination method. Linear equations in two variables.